A flag on a business bank account is not a finding. It is a question. When the bank's monitoring system generates a flag, it is not concluding that something is wrong. It is noting that something in the account's pattern has shifted in a way the system cannot automatically explain. And that question needs to be resolved. Most business accounts generate flags periodically: a larger than usual deposit, a new payment destination, a change in transaction frequency. These are normal variations in business activity that the monitoring system is designed to notice. The majority of flags are resolved at the automated level. When subsequent account behavior returns to a clear, consistent pattern, the flag closes. The account owner never knows it was generated. A flag becomes significant when it does not resolve itself, when the pattern shift continues, or when additional flags accumulate in a short window. The monitoring system escalates the account for human review. That is the point at which a flag moves from a background system event into something that can affect the account relationship. What determines whether a flag resolves quietly or escalates depends on what happens in the account immediately after the flag is generated. If the account returns to its established pattern, the flag typically closes without action. If the pattern keeps shifting, or if new activity introduces additional uncertainty, the flag feeds into a growing file, one that eventually reaches human eyes. The duration of a flag also matters. Banks track how long a flag has been open and unresolved. A flag active for 30 days carries more weight than one generated yesterday. The longer it remains without a pattern that explains it, the higher the probability of formal review. Business owners have limited direct visibility into whether their account has an active flag. But there are indirect signals: unusual delays in transaction processing, increased frequency of documentation requests, changes in how quickly the bank responds to routine inquiries. None of these signals individually confirms an active flag, but a pattern of them suggests the account is receiving elevated attention. The most effective way to manage the flag system is not to react to it. It is to operate in a way that gives the system fewer reasons to generate flags in the first place: consistent transaction patterns, predictable deposit sources, gradual rather than sudden changes in account behavior. These reduce how often the monitoring system needs to ask questions about your account. And fewer questions means fewer flags. Fewer flags means the relationship stays in the background, which is exactly where you want your banking relationship to be.